Ladies and gentlemen, so far we have been discussing factoring trinomials in which the leading coefficient can be assumed to be 1. If you don't see a number in front of the x, you can assume that there is a 1 there. And so we have been factoring these knowing that each binomial starts with x. In this case, we have x squared minus 2x minus 3. We know that the only numbers that multiply to make 3 are 1 and 3, so that they have to add up to -2. And so it's going to be x minus 3x plus 1, which works out to x squared minus 2x minus 3. And so now we want to look at a trinomial where the leading coefficient is not 1, it's something other than 1. And so what we do is, we're still going to factor this into two binomials, but instead of just taking the numbers that multiply to make the last term, we're going to multiply the first coefficient and the last term. In this case, we come up with 36, and then we're going to find the numbers that multiply to make 36. And we're still looking for the pair that adds up to the middle coefficient. That would be, in this case, 4 and 9. And so we will have two binomials, and we'll go ahead and start with x and x. Well, we notice we have plus and plus, so we're going to have two pluses, and we're using 4 and 9. So we have x plus 4 and x plus 9, but we are not finished. We need to take the first term, the 6, and bring it down, put it underneath both of the numbers in the binomial, and then simplify. X plus 4 over 6 works out to x plus 2 over 3. X plus 9 over 6 works out to x plus 3 over 2 when you reduce. And now they're as simplified as they're going to get. So we take the denominators of these fractions, move them in front of the x, and what we are left with is 3x plus 2 times 2x plus 3. And that is 6x squared plus 13x plus 6 factored into two binomials. So now give this a try.